Baichy Heavy Industrial Machinery Company Limited is factory manufacturer of mining machinery. The main products are stone crusher machine, powder grinding mill, mobile crushing plant, and mineral processing equipment. It integrates research and development, design, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. Based on strong technology, complete scientific management system, and high-quality products, Baichy Heavy has quickly grown into an important production and export base of China mining machinery. The products have been exported to over 80 countries, cover Southeast Asia, Middle Asia, Africa, Middle East, etc., widely used in global mining and construction industries. Baichy headquarters is located in the industrial park in Jiaozuo City. It covers a total area of 100,000 square meters, including 30,000 square meters of standard workshop. There are more than 200 sets of various large and medium-sized metal processing lathe, riveting machine, welding equipment, and assembly equipment. We have more than 200 workers, including more than 20 middle and senior technicians. Baichy is gradually expanding its business market depending on quality performance and service support. Through the international mining machinery exhibitions, we have demonstrated our professional equipment, technology, and thoughtful service to customers from various countries. Baichy always adhere to the quality assurance, sustainable development of the enterprise purpose, and customer first, mutual benefit, and win-win as the business principle. Hope to create brilliant future with all clients.